Hello friends, this is Owen Fernandez from The Win is Within You. Today, I'm going to summarize on the topic of being a team person or a team player. A good team player supports others, period. But a great team player, in addition to supporting others, also help them to get the job done. They don't condition when they will provide assistance, when they will listen, or when they will share their knowledge. They are always ready to provide the support that is needed. The workplace is one example where employees are often needed to collaborate or work with others to complete tasks and projects. There, being a team player is a valued skill for most jobs. Another example of teams, you can see it in sports. It's a perfect example of how many players working together can achieve much more than one player who is acting alone. For example, you may not be the best goal scorer, but if you're great at moving the ball forward, and you know that if you pass that ball to the person who can score, the team has a better chance of winning, isn't it? Everyone on the team plays a different role according to their strengths. And by helping and encouraging one another along the way, you can make some great inspiring things to happen. The same applies to life too. Your family is a team, and each member of the family is a team player. What does this mean for you? If you show that you have the ability to work well with others, this could be a major impact on your career. This is because leaders may see firsthand what a great job you're doing. For all you know, you may even be invited to bring your strengths into play in another team in a different setting altogether, and maybe in a higher profile business critical project. That is why learning to be a good team player is so very important. If you make a good impression, you never know what possibilities might open up for you in the future. Now, if you want to be a good team player, make sure you understand the group's goals. You may ask me, how can I know that? Start by asking key questions like these. Why are we here? What is the perfect ending to this project? What is our deadline? How often will we meet? What is our budget? Who is in charge of implementing our ideas? What roles and responsibilities will each of us have? And so on and so forth. Be clear about what you have to do and what's your role there in that team. This will help you complete your tasks to the best of your abilities. Friends, being a good team player isn't always easy. Teams are usually created to solve difficult problems, and they often have tight deadlines and strict budgets. But on the positive side, this can be your chance to shine. So look at teamwork not only as a challenge, but also as a great opportunity. Help your team by using your strengths, clearly understanding your role within the team, and also stay flexible and reliable until the project is completed. In addition to that, be positive and help others as much as you can. On the home front, define roles and select members according to their strengths. Those that are a bit weak can always be asked to work with those that are stronger and those that can encourage. This builds the entire team. How does it connect to character? A person of good character always shares and supports. Personal ego is replaced by humility, and selfishness is replaced by selflessness. He is always aware that success is sweeter when shared together. He also knows that together they are stronger than as separate individuals. Helen Keller once said, "Alone we can do little. Together we can do so much." I repeat, alone we can do so little. Together we can do so much. So friends, could we all try to be a better team player this week? There is no other way for a group to be successful unless we start with ourselves. Thanks for watching. Remember, the win is within you. We are here to help you be victorious. We believe in you and we believe you can. Take care, stay safe, stay well. Bye for now.
Ooh, the wind is within you.